All right, so we're back with my wife's Rustler all-wheel drive. As you can see, she has destroyed another drive shaft. So I'm gonna do this whole video real quick with my wife that's actually gonna be helping me video it and show you exactly how to take out the drive shaft and replace it on this car. I will be replacing it with a hot racing drive shaft to get it going. All right, so we're gonna start with taking off the body off of the car. As you can see, my wife's gave it a little bit of a bashing. So I always look at the car, assess, see what else needs to get done. Doesn't look like it's too bad, just mainly the drive shaft. But she broke it clean out.
Yeah, boy.
So we're gonna take the front tire off. So next thing you want to do is this upgraded hub, the hex that I put in here. You're going to take a flathead and just push against it until it pops out so you can get the pin out. A little bit rough just because of the damage that she's done to the drive shaft. So there's a little pin. Take the pin out. All right, so now it will fall out. As you can see, that's the carnage that she did on the inside of there. So I like to keep it kind of easy. So I just take off like the minimal amount of parts, especially since if she's racing, I don't want to have to, mess around due to the fact that I have something I gotta fix. So two screws, and then that'll drop right out. So then you can get to it real easy. Oof, looks like that bearing's gotta come out too. She ate that bearing right up. All right, so then there's a pin that is attached to the drive shaft on this back side. So you'll go in, you'll get this pin. All right, so there's the pin. Once you pull that out, the drive shaft will come off. Oh, wow. Dude, look what you did there.
Barely bruised.
Yeah, barely bruised. Holy moly, dude, you almost blew it out both sides. All right. So now we're gonna grab the new drive shaft. I'm gonna use the new pin. I always use a blue Loctite, but right now I don't have that on me. So we are going to not use the Loctite for right now. Drive shaft in the hole. I like to go through the top, makes it a little bit easier. There we go. So you can throw a little blue Loctite on that bad boy and lock it in. So let me go grab I don't need it yet, really. So we'll put this bad boy back together. All right, so as you can see, I put the new bearing in, replaced the one that she destroyed, right? So now we got to put the pin in to hold the hub on. You'll see the hub on the back side. All right, and then tire and wheel, and you're back to racing.